In this video I would like to tell a couple of words about components of the video commercial or this promo video that we're going to be creating, and about components of video commercials and video promo and promo videos in general. Well, I work a lot in After Effects, so sometimes I will be calling these components layers because I think in form of layers already. In my opinion, there are at least 5 main components that altogether create a good looking and good sound commercial or video promo. Component number 1 would be the video layer, the video component, which is actually the video content, the video file that you use as the main layer for your video commercial. And it can be a green screen video or a real live footage or any other type of video content. So in this video we will have green screen video, 2 green screen video files which are not very green screen, which are more like violet screen, but the idea is still the same. The next component that is heavily used nowadays is CGI or computer generated graphics and so-called 3D objects that are also generated in 3D building software, and we are going to use a 3D object as well in this video commercial. We are going to create such object in Google Sketchup and then import it into After Effects and combine it with the main layer, which is video layer. Music component is also very important in video commercials, and music creates positive and attractive atmosphere if it is video commercial, or maybe some kind of other atmosphere. So in any way it is important to use a background music, even though your target audience might not remember or even hear this background music. It still will be playing there in the background, and it will be creating the atmosphere that you want to create in your video. Another component that is super important in video commercial is the voice layer, so-called voice component. It is actually a text, some kind of narration, which is read by a professional voice actor, and it is I said that it is super important because even if your target audience, the person who is supposed to watch your video, is not looking at the screen at the moment when your video commercial is playing, if you have a voice layer in your video, you will still get your target audience with your commercial. Even if they don't look at the screen, they hear the voice of your commercial. So it is very important to have this layer in your video commercial. Now there is one thing I want to tell you right away. In this video course we are not going to have this component, but that's okay. In the end of the course our video commercial will look and sound very good. When you will be creating your video commercial as a real life project, you will of course create this layer. You will create a text that you want to sound in your video commercial. Then you will find a voice actor, and the voice actor will create this audio file for you when he or she is reading your text, and you will just put this text into your video. Usually this service costs from around $10 or $15 for a couple of minutes of reading, so it's not very expensive. I would say that it is more difficult to create the text that the voice actor is supposed to read. So once again, this component is very important, but in this video course we're not going to touch it, partly because it is very easy to create this component by yourself, and partly because your video commercial will be very custom, and anyway you will come up with your text, and it is you who have to find the voice actor for your commercial. Okay, the next thing that I want to mention here is not really a component for commercial, but such important thing as colors range. If you look closely at any type of video commercials on TV or on internet nowadays, you will see that each of them is limited by by a specific range of colors, which is called colors palette. So in this video I will show you how to create this colors palette, this range of colors that are used in your commercial, and how to make it look harmonized and more professional. So those are the 5 components that are going to be used in promo video or video commercial if you're going to create it. Video layer, 3D object that you're going to import and blend with the video layer, music in the background, voice file read by a professional voice actor, and color palettes, which is the range of colors.